Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, and I'd like to thank you for choosing to click through to see more videos about my new Simple Neon Breakout system for the MT4 trading platform. And this is a pretty simple system that specializes in trading retracements, so after pullbacks we can get a new entry. And it can be traded in a daily chart all the way down to a 15-minute chart, even a 5-minute chart if you like to scalp. But we get the most pips out of the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour chart. These are just a few of the most popular currency pairs that people really like and that I like. However, you can trade any currency pair that's your favorite, or any indice or Bitcoin or anything that you like to trade that your broker offers you. This is a pullback system, and I'm using regular candles so that we can see the price action, and if we miss the beginning of a really big move, we can still get in after the pullbacks just by jumping down to a lower time frame. But even in this daily chart for the pound yen, you can see that I had a major entry here. This was the beginning of a big uptrend, then a pullback and another re-entry, and a pullback and another re-entry, and a pullback and another re-entry. And then when my red dot appears and everything kind of starts to turn red pink, and in the volatility window down below, the volatility bar becomes pink, then that's the clue that the price has found the top and you should take your exit. And let's take a look at the pound Aussie, because this is one of my favorites. It just moves so well. You can see this beautiful long downtrend. It started here, and then you had some consolidation, and there was no clear re-entry until right about here. Actually, it was right here. And then you had a little more consolidation and pullback, and you had another perfect entry, some more pullback and another entry, some consolidation, 2 doji candles, and then another big push to the downside, and then the next candle was really strong. And then it goes into this area where the colors are mixed and my blue dot appears, which shows the bottom. So it's really easy to see entries and exits and to trade the retracements after a pullback. This is my volatility window. That's a special MACD window. It shows you not only trend and momentum, but it shows you entry, exit, and divergence. So I talk about all of these things and how to use these things in my PDF. Here's gold in a 1-hour chart. This was a beautiful entry, and this was a nice exit here for, that's about close to 100 pips. And when the momentum drops off in the volatility window, that's a clue that there's no reason to stay in a trade when the momentum falls off. Here I'm waiting for a downtrend. I'm just waiting for this long slow trend line to turn pink. It's still blue. It looks like it wants to push to the downside. Everything says sell except for that my long trend slope is still aqua right here. It hasn't turned red, so I'm just waiting for that, and then I'll place my sell order. This is the DAX, which is really popular with Europeans, and here's a nice perfect sell entry and a pullback and another sell entry, and then momentum pulled back to the zero line here, the red zero line. All the colors changed. Now we're in consolidation, and the candle tick time says wait, because the DAX is not trading right now until the Frankfurt session opens. So that's it for my new Simple Neon Breakout. This is a very short introductory video, but I have 2 longer videos down below that you can watch, and if you like what you see and you want to give it a try, the buy button is at the very bottom of the sales page. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it if you purchase it. Thanks very much again, and happy trading.